Next on our OnlyFans.
Only clans.
Only clans.
Yeah.
Like it?
That's not what
like
you think.
Where your head's at.
What are we doing? We are going to be filming Emma, taking photos of her in her nice midi kilt. What are you guys doing?
TikTok. Doing the tickety talks, Adam.
We're taping, and we're taping.
Oh.
So a midi kilt, it refers to the length. It's going to be a little bit longer than a midi kilt and a little bit shorter than a maxi kilt. They're right at the knee.
How you feeling? Nervous?
Yeah, I always get a little bit nervous. Can she like?
Yeah,
She's a little bit too close.
Whatever you gotta do.
We're showing off the product.
Right.
So if the mannequin's gonna interfere with showing off what she's wearing, then that's a problem.
Concept is creepy Rocky, not a far-fetched concept. Poking his head out between two bolts of tartan and letting him drop to the ground to get attention for the beginning of the video. To make people stop scrolling in their newsfeed and watch me say dumb things. Hey, you ever wonder if your name has a family tartan associated with it? That sounds weird.
This is our new midi kilt, and I love this. It's part of our new line, and I love it because it's got some heft to it, it's got these buckles, it's really cute, it's got more of a flare to it, like an A-line skirt. Just kinda...
Whenever you're ready.
Hey, have you ever wondered if your family name has a tartan associated with it? It's easy to find out. Fine.
I think it's a good take.
Yeah.
This is a kilted skirt, classic garment. I'm a big fan. But this is the new midi kilt. We just released it. It's got some hefty buckles on this side that you don't see in a kilted skirt. It's got some more bulk to it, some pleating. It's got more of an A-line shape, complements the waist a little bit more, and it falls just around the knee point for you.
Perfect. It's weird to tell people that like my job mostly consists of doing stuff for TikTok, but I do enjoy it. It's different than the longer form content, and you know it's got its own challenges, but it's fun too. Like I want to make our audience happy. Like I want to make content that is good, that satisfies like what Rocky and Eric and I want to make, and that our fans like. But for me, it's like we can interact with our community, but also kind of feed the content machine as we're going to.
It's fun. I don't necessarily mind it. It's not something I ever really saw myself doing before I started working here. Yeah, that's a great question. Most of the times, brides will wear either a stole or a sash, something you can drape over your shoulder.
Yeah, Matt just came down to tell me that your midi maxi one has already hit 2,000 views.
Oh,
Just on TikTok.
cool.
Got about 6 across everything.
I haven't checked yet. I haven't watched it yet.
Yeah.
What's going on, Rocky?
This is our one of our two 1952 Reese buttonhole machines. This thing is the bane of my existence. It is the most complicated piece of equipment we own as far as sewing machine stuff. And it always happens when I'm dressed nicely in a kilt. Look at the guts of this. This is just, you know, cloth to absorb all the oil and stuff. We're cleaning out the machines just now, and the belt jumped the track. And it's not, you know, basically going the way it should. It's just burning the belt rubber. But these are all the things that need to be specially configured underneath the machine. So for Chief Cook Bottle Washer and our lovely, lovely Susie, who normally fixes some of the machines, but
Today I break them.
today she broke it and calls in the big guns since Mac isn't here, and I get to try to fix it, and it's not fun. I want to play around with too much because I don't want to screw up the timing if the timing is right.
Yeah.
We just have to get it to stop spinning and to actually, you know, kick back into gear. Yeah. Why is it not releasing? We'll see if it starts smoking again. And as much as these things are prone to breaking, it sounds like a better deal to have someone come in and fix it for free. Smoking is generally not encouraged for sewing machine equipment.
She run.
Okay, I think I either unlocked it or made it worse. I'm not sure which. Think it's worse? Alright, so this whole thing is shifted over. So this whole thing is that supposed to wiggle? We're gonna find out.
Doesn't wiggle on this one.
It doesn't wiggle. The little the thing that travels back and forth as basically the female end, and then there's a big wide nut that sits inside of there, and it's not seated on my side. No, see the big cylinder? One major issue down, several more to go.
We're problem too.
The bigger problem, the machine shouldn't smoke. We run a no smoking shop here.
Rocky spent hours and hours, and Susie spent hours looking at that machine. I did 2 things. Push the belt over, close the lid, 3 things, and then turn the switch on, push the pedal, and we were all good.
So I know March was a bit of a rough month. It's taken its toll, but we did just get some really good feedback on one of our YouTube videos that I wanted to share. He says, I like Rocky's line, good kilts aren't cheap, and cheap kilts aren't good. I'll be ordering my first kilt from these fellas soon, as I heal from an operation I've just had. I've had some correspondence with the team, and I'm totally sold on the store and their customer service. We had a mix-up in communication at first, and I thought, here we go again, as customer service in most stores has been crap since the lockdown. However, not with these folks. I'm totally sold on doing business with them, as they're above top shelf. I'm looking forward to their suggestions and purchasing my first outfit. They're real pros. So I thought we can always use, especially on Monday, some good positive feedback.
All right, my name is Patrick Corcoran. I'm a video editor and a videographer here at USA Kilts. This is the end of my first week. Today is Friday. I started on Monday. I've had a great time so far. I've met a lot of great people. I've got a chance to met the team. Getting to know the team, getting to know the people here. Everyone's super polite, very kind. Almost had it.
We're gonna go get Rocky. Something special just arrived. Hey, Rocky.
Yes.
I got a special treat for you.
Ooh, I love special treats.
Something just arrived.
What?
Should go check out production.
What do we got?
Do you want to know? Do you want it to be a surprise?
I'll be surprised.
Okay.
Let's go. What is it? What is it? Oh, Emma's here too. I know what it probably is. Here.
Ooh! I totally can't tell what it is through this quasi see-through packaging.
We did the black wash tartan in a weathered color palette in polyviscose. So it is finally here. I'm excited to see it. Ooh, nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell.
How do you feel about it? Emma, I know
I'm
you
liking
like
it.
I know
Yeah.
you like brown weathered tartans.
Yes, yeah, definitely. It definitely falls in my color palette. I'm liking how the brown came out, definitely. I'm planning on getting a kilt made in it, probably. Yeah.
Nice. Ian, how you feel about it?
I like it. I like it quite a bit. I wish the gray was a little darker, but I agree. The brown nailed it.
I think the opposite. I like the gray. Is it's a good match for the weather. The brown's a little bit chocolatey.
Okay.
But it's the closest we can get in the PV.
It's exactly what I was expecting because I knew it was going to be
Yeah.
the gray and the
Yeah.
Kilts
Exactly.
Culture.
Exactly.
But
So-
yeah, no, it's great. I think
Yeah.
people are going to be excited for it.
So what should be our next one?
I will have 7 answers as I'm falling asleep tonight or in the shower tomorrow morning. Yeah, have the cameras follow me into my
In your
bedroom
shower?
and in
Yeah.
my shower.
Yes,
yeah,
of
and
course.
then I'll be spitting out great ideas left and right. Here up, I'm talking about something classy here, right?
Next on our OnlyFans. Only clans. Like it?
That's not what you
like
think
where your
it
head's
is.
at. Excellent. Let's do it. Absolutely.